Hello to the project evaluators. Let me introduce you to our MVP of the project. So, our AI driven platform helps investors and accelerators evaluate startups faster, more consistently, and at scale by automating data collection, research, benchmarking, and investment memo creation, freeing humans to focus only on the important part, that is judgment and strategic decisions. So now let me take you to the platform. This is the landing page where the user can get to know about the project and the product. Now when the user clicks on the CTA, he views a page of my reports where he can view the reports that he has already created, or he can create a new report by clicking on this button. At the click of this button, he has to enter the company name, description if he wants to, and founder phone and founder email, which are mandatory to fill. Now once he does that, he has created a new report on this website, and now he has entered into that report page where the first step that he has to do is enter a data source. So this was an example of the source that I added. Basically, whenever a startup needs to be evaluated, the founders send a deck or a investment deck or a startup deck created by their team, and the AI analyst now can just submit a PPT and add it as a source. He can also submit a document, a PDF, a Word doc, or a PPT. He can also add website links. If those are behind paywalls, then this research agent won't be able to search it. But if it is not having a paywall, then you can just enter the link. Or if it is a YouTube link, then it can transcribe the video and add it as a source. Now this founder voice and founder behavioral test are not part of the MVP, but it is in my roadmap. Now there is another feature called as deep research, wherein you can just click on any of the existing templates of questions that are there, or you can enter your own prompt and tell it to research and find sources on that. And after it finds certain sources, what it will do is it will show the list of sources, and you have the option to view the sources here and the complete report that it has generated. Now you have the option to add it as result as part of the ingested sources. If any source you think is not appropriate for the uh, report that needs to be created, or the memo that needs to be created, then you can just untick it, and that will not be then ingested for the memo generation. Also, if a website is behind paywalls, then what you can do is, if you have purchased the access to that website, then you can and if you are within the copyright laws, then you can add the text here. Okay, now I have once I have, you know, added all the sources and I'm satisfied with the sources that I have, I will just generate this investment memo. So as you can see, we have the investment memo ready. It's a page long investment memo. I can go back to my sources and if I want to, then I can edit the sources here also and then regenerate the memo if I want to. uh, Now I will just show you what else I can do in this step 2. So in step 2 what I can do is, for the step 3 part, I can choose how much weightage do I want to keep for certain factors. If I want to do a founder analysis having more weightage, or if I want my competitive landscape more weightage, I can just do that, and then I can save and regenerate this. Now based on this generated memo, the curated memo will be created. So I clicked on the curate memo, and there we have the curated memo. I can look at the product deep dive, investment thesis, market size, and certain parameters that we had adjusted in the preference form. I can click on finalize and complete. I can also download this file, so I have it in my downloads folder. So yeah, that's it about the application of the MVP of this AI startup analyst. Well, in the next steps, we'll move forward and create a full stack application that handles all this use case and um, meets the objectives